Earn money with zero investment. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: earning money with zero investment. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need any upfront capital to get started. So, if you're looking for ways to make some extra cash or even build a sustainable income stream, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Method number 1: online surveys. One of the easiest ways to make money without investing is by participating in online surveys. Many companies are eager to gather consumer opinions. They are willing to pay for your feedback. Simply sign up for reputable survey websites, complete surveys, and earn cash or rewards. Make sure to research and choose reliable survey websites that have a good track record of paying their users. Some popular options include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. While the earnings may not be substantial, they can definitely add up over time. Method number 2: freelancing. If you have a skill or expertise, freelancing can be a fantastic way to earn money without any initial investment. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or even a social media manager, there are numerous freelance platforms available. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. As you build your reputation and deliver quality work, you can command higher rates and secure more clients. Method number 3: handmade products. If you have a creative side, turning your hobbies into a business can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture. Do you enjoy crafting, painting, or making unique jewelry? Consider creating handmade products to sell online. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for artisans and creators to sell their products. Take high-quality photos, write engaging descriptions, and promote your items. Remember, building a brand and engaging with your customers are essential for long-term success. Method number 4: affiliate marketing. Another zero-investment opportunity is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. Many companies have affiliate programs that allow you to earn a percentage of the revenue. Look for products or services that align with your niche or interests. Share your affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. By providing valuable content and recommending quality products, you can earn money while helping others find solutions to their needs. Method number 5: content creation. If you enjoy creating videos, writing blogs, or producing podcasts, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, WordPress, or Patreon. By building a dedicated audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, or direct fan support. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way. Thanks for watching.